Hello, my name is Ken Halanich and I am part of the Icy Inverts research team, a collaborative group of scientists from multiple institutions. We are aboard the RV-IB Nathaniel B. Palmer to conduct research in the oceans surrounding Antarctica. And today we'll be talking about why biodiversity is important. The Antarctic is a cold, barren environment, and when most think of biodiversity in the Antarctic, they think of things like penguins or whales or seals. However, most of the biodiversity in the Antarctic is under the water. The marine continental shelf is home to thousands of species, many of which are still diversifying today. One of the reasons we're interested in biodiversity is to understand the effects of global warming in the Antarctic. As you can see from this picture, the western regions of the Antarctic are among the fastest warming on the planet. Multiple scientific studies have shown that if biodiversity is compromised, ecosystem function will be impacted. Ecosystem function can be thought of as how different organisms enable each other. For example, this sponge is helping crinoids get up off the bottom and into the water current, or these bryozoans have three-dimensional structure which allowed other organisms to hide. Not all environments are the same in terms of biodiversity. For example, here's a hard substrate that's rich with very large and obvious organisms, whereas other environments, such as this muddy plain, have many organisms, but they may not be visible to the eye, such as this amphoretid annelid, this cumation, or this chinorhynch. One other area that is important to consider with biodiversity is ecosystem resilience. If an ecosystem is dominated by one or two species, it will likely be less able to handle perturbations. In the Antarctic, there is rich diversity, which helps the ecosystem be resilient and support ecosystem function. There's clearly more than meets the eye.
Support for this work was provided by the National Science Foundation and our affiliated universities. Thank you for valuing science and watching this video. For more information, please check our other videos to describe the science, animals, and equipment of our Icy Inverts expedition.